Hey everybody, welcome back. Maono sent me their latest product, USB XLR dynamic microphone, the pd100x. Let's see the product. Okay, let's do the unbox. Let's look at what we have exactly inside. User manual. This is going to be apply. The stand, USB cable, okay. The wind foam and the microphone. Note that the cable for the XLR is not included. So I'm confused. So what exactly the microphone have for the future? A headphone and a mic gain volume control, a built-in wind foam, a cardio polar pattern, a touch mute button, a RG light programmable, compatible. This microphone is compatible with PC, smartphone, and game console. I want to show you something. When you're going to receive your cable, you just disconnect. Et voila. So you're going to have a and C connection, USB connection. Okay, let me show you something. We have two knobs but three function. You have the knob here, the one here on top. This is the mute. When it's going to be red, the mute is on. When you press on it, wait, when you press on it, it's going to be blue. Here you have the knob for the microphone. So when you're going up, this is going to be for the headset, and when you press on it, this is going to be the microphone. And voila, so the microphone is on now. But you need to push the knob. Just push it and that's it. Okay, so this is going to be the test sound with the XLR cable plug on the maono caster. So pizza, pepperoni. I hope the sound really good. I hope you're going to love it. And now let's do the test with the USB-C cable now. So that's going to be the test sound with the USB-C cable plug on my computer now. I hope you love the sound of my voice. Pepperoni, and I always need to speak on top, not here on the side, always on the top. And I hope you like my voice. I hope you like the sound of this microphone which I'm speaking now. Let me show you how you open the RGB light. You have a small button here, all the way here on top. You need to press for 1 second. 1 second, the RGB light is going to open, and when it's time to close it, you press 2 seconds. 1, 2, and the light is going to close off. Also, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open the light. Can just press and change the light at the same time. And that's the way I love it. You just need to press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're going to change all the light you need. Me, I love that kind of lightning. I hope you like this video about this microphone pd100x. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like, and the link of the maono is going to be down there. And see you another video.